Hello guys, welcome again Learn Basics. So today's topic is going to be very special for you because I'm going to discuss about the home button. When you operate your keyboard, so probably you may have noticed that there is a button called home. Okay, but we rarely use the home button. But believe me guys, if you use this home button properly, it can accelerate your computer operation. And you won't believe that how many types of uses are there that we can use home button in a multiple way. So if you wanted to know that how many ways that we can use home button, so just stay watching this video. So guys, before I proceed the video, two important points. First, you will get video Hindi and English both languages. If you are Hindi viewers, you can watch same video in Hindi. And if you are English viewers, you can continue this video. And how will you identify? It's given on thumbnail that whether video is in Hindi or English. Okay, so let's start the video and we'll see that how many ways we can use the home button. Okay, so as you can see, I have written some paragraph here from first to sixth paragraph. Okay. And this is the end, etc. And suppose my cursor is there and if I wanted to go on top again, okay, so simply you have to use control with home and your cursor will move on top. As you can see, it is here now. Okay, so this was the first use of home key. Okay, second, suppose my cursor again here in the last of the page. Okay, and I wanted to select whole thing till the top. Okay, so in such case I have to use Control, Shift and Home and everything will be select till top. So this was the use of second. Third, if my cursor is there and if I wanted to select this whole line, so simply I have to choose Shift with Home and the whole line is selected. Another interesting use of home key. If suppose my cursor is there and if I wanted to move my cursor in the beginning of the line, okay, means here, okay, so I simply use to press home button and my cursor will be there in the beginning of the line. As you can see, it is here now. Okay. After that guys, there is another and very interesting use of home key. First I open my blog. As you can see, this is my blog, learnbasics today.blogspot.com. Okay, and if I am here in the end of the page, okay, suppose if I am here in the end of the page, means any website, whatever website you have opened, and you are there on in the last of the page. Okay, so if you wanted to go on top again, okay, so you simply press home button and you will be there on the top. As you can see, I am here on the top. Please write in the comment section that how was this video for you. Is it knowledgeable? Is it interesting? Anything else that we can add in it? And please share your experience in the comment box.